dipole moment. When a non-identical atom, for example A and B, join together by the covalent bond, so the pair of electrons attract more strongly to the atom that has the higher electric negativity. It means here two atoms, for example A and B, are there. They are joined covalently with each other, but the pair of electron will be attracted more towards the higher electronegativity. So which atom having the higher electronegativity, electron will go towards that atom if A is a more electronegative than B. So there is a higher chances to attract the electrons by A. Thus the shared electron pair is moved towards the A, leaving a positive charge on the B atom, and the molecule become dipolar. It means A minus B positive. Now interaction with the electrical field is given by the moment of permanent electrical dipole moment of the molecule. So when we are applying the electrical field, due to the interaction, they are having the permanent dipole moment of the molecules. Now dipole moment is quantity that describe the two opposite charges separately by a distance. So Q positive, Q negative have the r distance. So the dipole moment mu is the product of the magnitude of the separated charge and the distance of separation. So here mu is the dipole moment, which equals to the Q into R, where Q is the magnitude of the separated charge into R is the distance between that separated charge. Now greater the charge, it means greater the charge, it means larger the dipole moment and smaller the distance. So if the charge is increased, so dipole moment getting large, and due to that the distance of that is smaller, it means r is smaller and larger will be the dipole moment. So here if we want the larger dipole moment, so the greater charge and smaller distance is required. Now SI unit of this Q, magnitude of separation, is expressed in the coulombs and R is expressed in the meter unit. So here mu having the C into M, it means coulombs into meter unit, and this unit also expressed as a dB and written as a capital D. Now this is the measurement of the dipole moment. So in first figure, when the switch of electricity is off, so there is a two plate, negative charged and positively charged. So there are the atom which having no correct place to stay. They are in its own randomly distributed in the compartment. Now when we are applying the electricity, so when switch is on, so due to the electricity, positive charge attract towards the negative plate and negative charge attracts toward the positive plate. So this is the measurement of dipole moment. Now when a solution of the polar molecule placed between the two plates which having the opposite charge, so one is positive, second is negative, this process consumes the energy. In return, the electric circuit is passed, and when the switch off, the effect known as a electrical capacitances. So when we are switching on the electric current, and when the process is required the energy, and ultimately when we are turn off the switch, so at that time the effect is known as the electrical capacitance, and the measurement of capacitance of a gas or the solution determine the dipole moment of a substance. So this electrical capacitance determine the dipole moment of substance. Now what are the application of dipole moment in pharmacy? So for predicting the nature of molecules, so by this we know that the substance, the molecule is polar or non-polar. If the molecule having the zero polar dipole moment, it means it is not polar molecule, and if having the specific dipole moment, so they are polar in nature. Next is degree of polarity. By this we measure the dipole moment. We have the idea about the degree of polarity of a molecule. Now, shape of molecules. So when the dipole moment is used to find out the shape of molecule having specific dipole moment, so due to that we find out the molecule's shape. Next is predict nature of bond. Here there is a possibility to predict the nature of chemical bond between the electronegative atoms, which involve the molecules, and the bond is highly polar if the electronegative atom are larger. So these are the application of dipole moment.